New just listed home, 225 Country Club Drive Apartments C332, Largo, Florida, by McKenna Hale from the military veteran team. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home offers 1,950 square feet of living space in a beautifully maintained neighborhood. Inside, the bright open living area feels spacious, airy, and filled with natural light, while serene pond and fairway views create a calm atmosphere throughout the home. At the center of the layout, the kitchen features solid wood cabinetry, stone countertops, and a functional design built for everyday living. The split bedroom layout provides comfort and privacy, including an oversized primary suite with plenty of space to relax and unwind. The bathrooms continue the home's updated feel with clean finishes that blend comfort and everyday functionality. Outside, beautifully landscaped grounds and community amenities create a peaceful and low-maintenance lifestyle. Don't miss your chance to make this beautiful home yours.
Buy or sell with us and move for free in Pinellas County. Google Military Veteran Realtor Team and see why we're #1 on Google.